Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need a Spotify developer account and a Discord bot token before starting. Install Node, JS and Git, and reserve port 3000 for the redirect callback. Spotify Playback Control requires a Spotify Premium account for device playback. Also prepare an available Discord server where you can invite the bot with appropriate permissions. Have a text editor ready to edit environment files. This setup takes about 10 to 20 minutes if you follow each step carefully and keep credentials secure. Create a new app at Developer, Spotify.com/dashboard and name it for Fmbot. Set redirect URI to http://localhost 3000/callback in your app settings. Copy the client ID and client secret from the dashboard to your clipboard. Under OAuth scopes, enable user read playback state and user modify playback state and playlist read private and playlist modify public. Save changes and verify the redirect URI matches your later Spotify redirect URI value. Keep the client secret private and do not commit it to public repositories. Set environment variables Spotify client ID, Spotify client secret, Spotify redirect URI, and Discord token in a and file. Run npm install, then npm run start to launch Fmbot on port 3000. Visit the provided auth URL, grant scopes, then use the returned code to complete authentication. Invite the bot to your Discord server using the OAuth2 client ID and bot scope with permission integer 8 or specific audio permissions. Test playback by using the bot command. Play followed by a track name and control playback from your active Spotify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.